Look at this heavy, big scoop.
That is a huge scoop, Jack.
Let's get it there. Look at it there.
Oh, just like...
Welcome to JackJackPlays.
Jack, what do you got?
A tractor.
A tractor? What kind of tractor?
A dirt picking tractor.
A dirt picking tractor. It looks like some kind of loader to me. All right, Daddy's gonna get this one out. Jack has decided that the dirt is so good today that he can't wait. He's got a bulldozer in the background. Okay, here it comes. Here it comes. Is there gonna be twisties? Are there gonna... No, it's gonna come right out. There it is. Awesome. Here comes the first scoop. Get it, Jack. Nice.
Perfect. Forward. Now, put her down. Yum, yum, yum. Yum. Scoop. Yum, yum, yum.
You're so silly.
He has a scoop that can eat. He eats dirt, right?
Yep.
He just eats dirt.
That is a monster scoop.
Ow. Dirt. Yum, yum, yum. Gah. Come on.
It's like a monster.
Yeah, it can eat dirt. It eats dirt, right? Look at that bucket. And a bucket.
Oh, it's so full.
You want to see it dump?
Oh, we totally want to see it dump. Do it. Do it.
Dump! Dump! What? Oh. Dump?
Oh,
The
we
dirt
saw it
go
dump.
out? Did you see the dirt go out?
We sure did. Hey, Jack, can you show the kids the bucket and the claw? Show it up close for us. Wow. It looks mighty scary.
The kids, do you think this can eat your finger off?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, good thing I slipped it between the spikes.
It would cut your finger off.
I don't think it would.
Did you see that?
No, they missed it.
Oh.
I missed it and the kids missed it. What are you doing?
Did you see it?
We saw it this time.
I can go again.
Now what are you doing with this thing? Are you loading it with leaves?
No, crushed leaves.
Crushed leaves. Look at those crushed leaves. They're getting recycled. Cool.
They got recycled off the ground.
You're recycling the leaves?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Don't make it dumb, okay?
I won't make it though.
These have to get crushed because the wind will take them away.
Oh, yeah, we gotta get them to safety.
I think there's lots more over there, so kids, when you see a recycling center that has recycling values, they can just do anything.
Put them there.
Right here.
Does that make any sense?
Remove that. Put it on the ground.
Okay.
Put it in. Folding. Why is it falling out?
I don't know.
Because
The claw's not down.
closed. This tire's red. Are you making the tile for me? See the tires right here.
Wow, are they really cool? Are they
Yeah.
thick?
Yeah.
Oh boy, can we move it so they can see it move? Wow.
They make tracks, right?
It sure does.
Are you making a tile?
Are you? Yep.
Just plowing this dirt, kids. Crunch. Look how it munched the dirt. Did you see that?
Oh, we see it. How many spikes are there?
6.
Wow, there are 6 spikes.
1, 2, no, we're 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boom. Let's see the dog. Oh, yes, it. Oh, yeah, totally down. Let's go! Saw it. I'm gonna rubbing up the. Look at that. Look at this. Look at the steel blade. Look at this hole. That also plowing snow.
It could, Jack.
Look at all that snow. There's snow in here. Getting your job. Look at that. Plowing it really deep.
Now what are you doing, Jack? Claw, did it bite your foot? No. Oh my. What's that in there? I see a twisty. See a twisty we missed. See a twisty tie.
We forgot.
Are you driving on the grass now?
Picks up the grass.
I see.
Inside the grass. Inside of it?
Inside of what?
Inside of the grass.
Yeah, well, inside of the grass itself, there's water and lots of other things. Cells.
More cells.
Cells are little bitty living things that are put together like Lego blocks and make all living things. He's got nothing to say to that. Do you?
Yeah. This can work on landfills, right?
It could work at a landfill too, that's right.
Look at this big scoop.
Wow, that is a huge scoop, Jack.
Look, it's gonna dump really huge. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, that.
We do see a great pile.
Stainless steel, kids.
There's stainless steel on your tractor.
Yeah, stainless steel. See that stainless steel.
Either that or chrome, I don't know.
Look at this heavy big scoop.
That is a huge scoop, Jack.
Don, why are you gonna tip? Let's get it there. Look at it there. No, it didn't tip. See, it's the rest is still in there. Well, this bed's over down. What does dizzy mean?
Dizzy means, you know that feeling if you run in circles where you want to fall down? It's pretty silly.
Like this. Like that.
Like what? Oh, just like that. Jack, are you ready to say goodbye?
Yeah.
Say goodbye, look up.
Well, bye, kids. Don't subscribe. See you later. Bye.
Bye, everybody. Hi, kids. Did you see the hidden surprise egg? If so, write its color in the comments below.